In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download x.com, also known as Twitter, videos online in just a few simple steps. Before we get into it, there is one very important thing to know. This feature requires a premium subscription on X, so if you do not have premium, you may not see the download option. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X in your browser or app and make sure you're signed into the account that has premium access. Once you're logged in, find the video you want to download. You can do this by opening the post directly, scrolling your feed, or searching for the account and video you want to save. When the video is open, look carefully at the player controls. You should see a small settings gear icon on the video. This is where X places the download option for premium users. Click that gear icon to open the video settings. A menu should appear with different options for the video. In that menu, look for the option that says Download Video. Click Download Video and the file should begin saving to your device. Depending on your browser or app settings, it may download directly to your default downloads folder, or your phone may ask where you want to save it. Once the download finishes, you can open your downloads and confirm the video is there. That's it. The video is now saved offline, and you can watch it later without needing to open X again. Just remember, this only works if you have the premium feature available on your account, and the exact layout may look slightly different depending on whether you're using mobile, desktop, or the latest version of the app. If the gear icon isn't showing up, double-check that your premium subscription is active and that you're on the correct video post. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.